Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for the Scrap Diva Designs May 2025 release. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting May 1st and get a 10% discount using my discount code PRESGEMIC10. All the details and links and discount code will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So thank you, Erica, for sending me these dies. These dies they have two themes. The first theme is sewing and the second theme is a groovy kind of theme like the 70s and 80s where you have the peace sign and the happy face and all the good stuff. So let's start with this first one. We have sewing stamps and there's 7 styles. I'll go through each of them. I'm so awesome. Cut, pin, sew, repeat. I'd rather be sewing. I can totally make that. I'm not messy. I'm creatively organized. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time and handmade by, and you can write someone's name, your own name, and I guess your own name. So yeah, let's get to the next die. So here we have a key and lock set. It's really beautiful and pretty because we have 3 different style locks here. There's a heart-shaped one, a star-shaped one, and just a regular shaped lock, and 4 different types of keys. We have a heart-shaped key and another heart-shaped key that looks different from the first heart-shaped key. And then there's sort of like a crown shaped key, and this one looks like a 4-leaf clover type key. So it's really interesting and pretty cool. And the bottom part of the key has different shapes on them too. This one has a heart shape in the middle. That looks different. So yeah, it's really interesting. And here we have the Shabby Chic Memorydex, and we have a Memorydex that's shaped like probably a bobbin, it looks like, or like some kind of card for your threads. And we have a Thumbelina here, and a pair of scissors, some needles, and the word Shabby Chic with the shadow background, as well as some more sewing items. And yeah, this is a really cute set. And next up we have this peacesign mini album. This peacesign mini album is just so groovy. It's like the 70s kind of style. And yeah, it's a really nice size, the size of your hand. And next up we have these open petal flowers. It's really detailed and it has many different sizes for these petals. It's really awesome. And next up we have this retro shaker keychain. So here we have some peace sign, the flowers, like a flower power or something, and the happy face, which is so cute. These like tags that you can make them into tags or keychain, and you can also make them into a shaker. So it's really awesome. It's so cute. Can't wait to make these. And next up we have these sewing words. So there's more than what you see here. There's, let's see how many. There's about 7 words. So there's still some at the back. There's like a second page. So the words are buttons and bobbins. Happiness is handmade. Sewing, and then we have so sweet. Then we have scissors, fabric, and so crafty. And they're really quite big, bigger than normal. And I think these will go great with the next die set that I'm going to show you. And here we have the sewing machine mini album. Isn't this so awesome? It's a sewing machine. And so yeah, those words would perfectly go on the sewing machine. And you probably could even make it into like a box that's shaped like a sewing machine with those box making strips that came out like probably last year or something. So yeah, it's so cool, the sewing machine. And even has that bobbin here. Yeah, so awesome. And next up we have this flower doily, and there's like doilies in the back, the second page, so it's really very nice doilies. So there's like, how many circles are in here? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's like 5 doilies. It's super pretty, and it goes with like this like sewing theme. And next up we have this one here, is called Cute Gift Box. And yeah, it looks really interesting, so can't wait to see how this turns out. And finally we have this really awesome retrovan mini album. It's like super sized. It's like 2 of my hands here, and you can decorate it a lot. And what else? And it comes with the windows here and the tires. It's going to be super cute and very awesome. And that's about it. I'm going to list my discount code PERSTREMIC10 down below. You can get a 10% discount, as well as all the links when it becomes available on May 1st. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!